Hi, my name's Tom from EventsAir, and I'm here to show you some of the registration tools within EventsAir. The thing our customers love about registrations within EventsAir is, on the one hand, it's incredibly easy to use with simple drag and drop tools to build a registration page in literally a few minutes. But on the other hand, there's really deep and powerful functionality under the hood to handle those more complex workflows like member and non-member registration. So let's dive in and have a look. I'm going to head over to the online panel. I'm going to set up a new registration site. I'm going to point it at my conference brand, and I'm going to go and hit create. This opens up the drag and drop builder in EventsAir that allows us to build out our form. All of these widgets on the left are all built in and set up as part of your event, so it very much becomes your own customized builder. I'm going to collect some contact details. I'm going to ask some what we call marketing questions. So this is things that you need to ask specific to your event and profile questions. Then I'm going to offer some registration categories. So I'm going to give them the option to register as an early bird or a standard. And then we've also got a virtual option for this event. Finally, we're going to give them the ability to come along to one of our functions, which is an optional extra at my conference. We'll then process payment via credit card, and the ability to generate invoices is native throughout the platform as well. Last thing I'll do is I'll pop some page breaks on there so it all sits a little bit separately. We'll go and hit save and preview and show you what we've built. So here's what we've built. As you can see, it's capturing the basics, our demographics. It's got our custom question in there as well. It's then going and offering my types of registrations, which I can pick as an attendee. And then finally giving me the optional tickets to the gala dinner, which I can attend, and it'll capture my dietaries and everything there. And then it'll take me off to make payment. So as you can see, super simple to build a really straightforward, good-looking registration page in literally a few minutes. But it's not always that simple or that linear. Sometimes you need to build a little bit of complexity into the registration page to be able to handle more complex registration workflows. So let's have a look at some of the more advanced tools. These are our logic blocks that you can use to create conditional logic rules based on what the attendees are entering or what we already know about them to make the page respond intuitively. So the example I'll use here is on page 2. As you recall, I'm offering 2 in-person options and a virtual option. Then we go to offer them the gala dinner. So I'm going to build in a rule that says if they select the virtual option, then skip the option with the gala dinner. Easy as this, I'll just put that page display logic rule, open up that little cog, no coding required whatsoever. I just add in a rule that says if this, then that. So if on page 2, if my virtual option is equal to selected, then skip the page with the gala dinner on there. Create a rule, hit save, and that's all ready to go. So as you can see, registrations in EventsAir on the one hand are super simple and easy to build, but on the other, they have some really sophisticated tools to help you manage those more complex workflows, which is why customers love it so much. So hopefully that gives you a good insight into EventsAir's registration tools. Be sure to check out the next video for some of the other great tools that EventsAir gives you access to.